Hey guys, so once again I'm drinking my Amare Happy Juice and I am full of energy and motivation and I just want to get things done. Unfortunately I'm not able to get a lot of stuff done right now because my son is home and he is a bit sick, so gotta take care of him, which is of course number one. Unfortunately I didn't get to go to the fireworks last night because he had a fever, which really sucks, but it is what it is. Anyway, this stuff is amazing and I highly recommend it if you have anything going on with your serotonin or your dopamine, because it's meant to balance the levels of serotonin and dopamine in the gut. And it's good for so many things. And I was just informed yesterday that it's actually good for clearing up acne as well, which is amazing because I still have outstanding effects of acne from a medication that they used to have me on called lithium. It gave me cystic acne, and it's actually clearing up now. I think it's a combination of the Amare juice and this Paula's Choice stuff that I'm now using on my face. It's a liquid exfoliant, and it's working. As you can see, I still have a few pimples on my face, but it really is starting to clear up a lot. And I hope everybody had a great time at the fireworks last night.